Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your issues on Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn on your airplane mode. You can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode, and in the end you can turn off your phone if this step or the first step not working with you. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.